Please welcome our next innovator, TripTelevision, the co-founder and president, Colleen Strimbu, and its executive producer, Tom Levine.
TripTelevision is an internet TV platform. We turn video into a supremely effective sales and marketing tool. We offer the ability to turn provider video into an interactive, responsive, and targeted tool for the consumer and the online travel seller. Before I get to our demo, I brought something for show and tell here. This is an Emmy Award for Technical Achievement, awarded to our development team almost 2 years ago in January of 2007. They were nominated and won against formidable adversaries, including ABC, Disney, and AOL. I'd never seen an actual Emmy before, and you know, they really are heavier than they look, it's true. The reason I decided to bring her today is because she represents the leap forward that our patented technology offers online travel sellers by providing a truly experiential sale. The product I'm about to show you was initially conceived and developed more than 7 years ago. It's already been adopted by the news media, the music and video industry, and is currently in development for deployment in the healthcare industry in 2009. This technology is not in beta. It is tried and true, and TripTelevision enjoys the exclusive rights to sell, distribute, and manage it within the travel industry. Let's take a moment to discuss online video. When video was first introduced to the internet with the advancement of both high-speed internet as well as online media players, certain industries took immediate advantage of this new distribution and advertising channel. These new participants, almost without fail, continued to mimic what has been previously established as the norm for online video delivery. For example, in the television advertising model, it involves this 30-second montage video within a 30-second commercial play. This is still adopted as the correct thing to do, but the web makes this model obsolete. Web designers had to be frugal with each space within a page because those pages were locked in. The content was static. Video, dynamic video, unlocks that space, allowing it to be used many times over. TripTelevision opens a new door for greater opportunity to travel providers everywhere. Today, I'm going to show you the future of video in the travel industry. We have a smart technology. It involves comprehensive video content, keyword search functionality, dynamic video playlists, targeted advertising, and most importantly, our technology considers the goals of both the consumer and the online travel seller to find the right vacation. Everybody wins. We'll begin by taking a look at a standard TripTelevision player. It resembles a traditional Adobe Flash player with normal functionality: rewind, play, pause, and fast forward. To the right, we have social networking links configurable to the needs of the online travel seller. They can include share code, email, get links, and favorites. There's also a shopping cart so the consumers can purchase what they're viewing. At the top of the screen, we have a slip and slide navigation tool. It shows the current playlist along with a brief description of each video. Channels can also be added so the consumer can sort through existing video and target a specific category. For example, if this were a hotel player, those channels might consist of room categories, restaurants, or amenities. When you move your mouse away from the player, the controls disappear. Behind the scenes, we offer a solid asset management tool for managing video content, as well as a comprehensive analytics tool for viewer reporting. This is where TripTelevision leaves all the other players behind. Let's focus on the content of the video being played on the screen. This player was configured to promote 3 El Dorado properties in the Mayan Riviera. Notice that the videos are not being played in their entirety. In fact, they're only being presented in 7 to 10 second plays. When this technology was created, our developers knew that there was a very short time to capture consumer interest. So instead of a long continuous play of a single video, it serves short, randomized, snackable clips. Providers get to choose which videos are available for each and every player on their website. Each time a player is launched, the video assembly software intelligently pulls different intro views from all the video content related to that player. This utility within the player makes each visit to a retailer site unique and different. When the consumer finds something of interest from the short-form video plays, they click on it, and a long-form video begins, which is a full featurette play, normally lasting 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now, take just a moment to consider the implications of that. In traditional video implementations, a standard commercial of an entire property might be squeezed into that same amount of time. But here, the consumer is able to shop for their vacation, similar to how they might buy a product in a store. They get to participate in the experience, witness all the details, from the alarm clock on the nightstand to the infinity pool on the balcony. Imagine the confidence of that purchase. Higher confidence means fewer call center questions and fewer customer satisfaction issues. This gives consumers full disclosure and a more complete understanding of the product or service they're purchasing. If the consumer doesn't immediately see something of interest, they can utilize the search toolbar. As you would expect, the search engine uses the keywords to sift and sort through its entire content store. And then it displays thumbnails for all the appropriate clips. This intelligence was built strictly within the player and does not require any integration or web searching within a website. The player is also configurable for search engine optimization, making the videos visible to the big search engines. Now for the really cool stuff. Our patented intelligent selection component makes the player smart. This platform actually learns from the consumer's pattern of video selection so that the player can present content personalized to each viewer's preferences. It essentially says, oh, you search for weddings. Okay, you probably would like to see some of this, too. The more the consumer utilizes the player and selects or searches for video, the more the player analyzes those habits and offers additional content established by their viewing habits. And it refreshes each and every time they visit. Providing a highly interactive and customized consumer experience is just one side of the video delivery system. The supplier and distributor benefits are also fantastic. The intelligence behind the player can be adjusted to give higher priority to content that highlights preferred suppliers, current special offers, or to establish a preferential play order. It can also be used to monetize a web page through the insertion of static or dynamic ads. The video assembly engine of the player has intelligence that combines keywords with percentage weighting to present prioritized views without creating an organized or a set playlist. The weighting established by the supplier distributor increases or decreases the odds that a specific video is added to the playlist for the consumer view. Keywords can be very broad, such as a destination or maybe a hotel brand. Or they can be as specific as a room category or the name of a poolside restaurant. This weighting can be changed real time to accommodate the changing economy, business focus, or inventory fluctuations of an organization. Monetization of the player can also be done by creating specified times for ad insertions within the video plays. These ads can even be predetermined for specific vendors, or they can be keyword driven, just like Google AdWords. Ad placement is only one opportunity for monetization. These long-form videos can include content within content, such as relevant product placement opportunities, Maui gyms on the nightstand, a Pepsi by the pool, tying the travel videos to retail. The opportunities are really endless. The innovative nature of the TripTelevision player serves two purposes. The first is to engage the consumer in a unique, highly interactive, and effective way. The second is to enable online travel sellers to meet online consumer expectations while also addressing the preferred relationships and taking advantage of monetization opportunities within the unending real estate of video play. I want to thank you all for participating in my presentation today and welcome you to the new world of intelligent video distribution. Thank you.
TripTelevision.